Next sutra is Lashakvat. Lashakvataddite. Lashakvataddite. Padacheda. La. Sha. Ku. Ataddite.
तद्दिति
Screen is screen visible?
आमाम् आं महोदय
Okay. La. Sha. Ku. Ataddite. Actually, there is no vibhakti here for La. Sha. Ku. For this, it should have been kavaha, lasha, ku becomes kavaha, lashakvaha. Sometimes it is presented like this only in Sutra Pata. We have to understand. We have to understand again by commentaries. It is Pratama Bahuvachana. And Ataddita is
not तद्दित not तद्दित
Vibhakti of Ataddite. Saptami Ekavachana. Lashakvataddite. Lashaku Ataddite. Not Taddite. Not Taddita. Lashaku Ataddite. Can you tell the Anurutti for this sutra from previous sutra? Adihi Pratyayasya and It.
इत्
So, if there is Lakara, Shakara and Kavargiya Vyanjana in the beginning of a Pratyaya, which is not a Taddita Pratyaya, then it is called as It. For example, Shas, Dvitiya Bahuvachana, Supratyaya. Here, Shakara is there in the beginning of a Pratyaya and it is not Taddita Pratyaya, it is Supratyaya. So, it is it by this sutra. Lashakvataddite. Lashakvataddite. Kech. Kech is a Sanadi Pratyaya. Here, Kakara is present in the beginning of the Pratyaya and it is it by this sutra. It is Sanadi Pratyaya, it is not Taddita Pratyaya. So, similarly, Lyut. It is a Krut Pratyaya. It is not Taddita. Krut Pratyaya. Lakara is there in the beginning and it is it. And Shan is a Vikarna Pratyaya of Divadi Gana, fourth Gana. Here Shakara is present in the beginning and it is not Taddita Pratyaya. So it is it. Similarly, Kishnuch. There is a Pratyaya called as Kishnuch. Here Kakara Mahaprana Kakara is there in the beginning and it is a Krut Pratyaya. It is not Taddita. It is not Taddita is important because if it is Taddita, none of these qualifies to it. Similarly, there is a Pratyaya called as Gsnu. Gsnu. It is a Krut Pratyaya. Here also Gakara is present in the beginning and it is It. Similarly, Ghain. Ghain Pratyaya. It is a Krut Pratyaya. And Gakara in the beginning is it by this sutra, Lashakvataddite. Similarly, Nasi, Panchami Ekavachana, and Nas, Nas is Shashti Ekavachana, Ni, Saptami Ekavachana. What?
The shap also. Shap. Shap. Vikrant Pratyay Shap.
Shap. Shap. Here, Shakara in the beginning, and Shan, then Snow, all those Shakara in the beginning is it according to Lashakvataddite. La, Sha, and Kavarga. These are
Katva pratyay also, na Mahoday?
huh?
Katva twa pratyay and
Yes, twa. Here kakara in the beginning because it is a tadita krut pratyaya. Similarly ta,
and katva
tak, tavatu, tavatu. Here kakara in the beginning. In all these kavargiya and kavargiya vyanjana and la and sha, they are it letters. Why atadite? Because lach is a tadita pratyaya. Here lakara is not it. Ka itself is a pratyaya. It is a tadita pratyaya. For example, the word bala gets the tadita pratyaya ka, and the final form is balaka. Kakara, that ka is heard in the final word balaka. So ka is not it because it is a tadita pratyaya. Similarly kha, it is also tadita pratyaya. Here it is not it. Similarly, there is a pratyaya called as gmini. Here gakara is there in the beginning, but it is a tadita pratyaya, so it doesn't get deleted. It is added to the only one pratipadika, vagmi. The final form is vagmi. There that gakara is heard, vagmi. Similarly, there is one pratyaya called as shas. It is a tadita pratyaya. Shas is supratyaya also. When it is supratyaya, the shakara is it. When it is a tadita pratyaya, shakara is not it. For example, if it is added to the pratipadika bahu, it becomes bahushas, and the final form is bahushaha. Bahushaha, prayashaha. That shaha ending words have this tadita pratyaya shas, and shakara is not it since it is a tadita pratyaya. So the meaning of this sutra is la, shu, la, sha and kavargiya letters 5 ka, ka, ga, ga, nya. They are not it. Sorry, they are it, but not in case of tadita pratyayas. Is the meaning of this sutra. Okay, is that clear?
Mahoday.
And the last sutra, tasya lopaha. Tasya lopaha, kasya lopaha, itaha lopaha. All those letters are combination of letters which are qualified as it, they get deleted, is the meaning of this sutra. This is a vidhi sutra because it dictates some operation. What is the operation? Deletion of the it letters. For example, when we take this as bu plus ta, I say kakara is it by lashakvatadite, but there is no change that happen just by considering that as it. So it is not vidhi sutra, lashakvatadite. It defines the it, so it is a sanna sutra. And the next sutra tells tasya lopaha, means deletion of it letter. So there is some change from the previous step to the present step. So there is a vidhi dictated by this sutra, tasya lopaha. So it is an example for vidhi sutram, and the final form is bhuta. Understood?
Mahoday.
Okay. All the it letters, whatever the it letters we have discussed so far since yesterday, all those get deleted during the prakriya. All which are qualified as it, they get deleted. That is the meaning of tasya lopaha. Okay, this is about it letters. So from now onwards, you will easily identify which are the it letters in any dhatu or in any pratyaya. Only these sutras define it. So if you understand all these 7 sutras, it will be very easy to identify its letters. So tomorrow we shall study about the prayojana of its letters. What is the prayojana of kakaraya